Hi everyone. For all those who experience neck pain or upper shoulder pain, these are 5 simple exercises that you can include in your early morning routine. Start with a simple neck stretch. Hold your forehead with one arm and extend the opposite arm outward. Now stretch your neck while pulling the other arm in the other direction. Hold it for about 5 seconds before you switch to the other side. Repeat this step for 3 to 5 times. Remember, breathing is the key, so while you stretch, don't stop breathing. For this next one, start rotating your neck in circular direction, beginning with small circles, and continue to breathe. Do it for 3 to 5 times in one direction and repeat it for the other direction. Again for 3 to 5 times. Just make sure that you start with small circles and keep increasing the diameter of the circle. As you can see, I'm rolling the neck, extending it further for every other rotation. Well, third one is very simple. You just have to hold the neck in 4 different directions: north, south, west, and east. Do it for about 3 to 5 breaths. And make sure you do it gently. Gentle motions are extremely important because you have your neck involved. And don't stop breathing. All I'm doing is moving my neck from north, south, east, west, different direction, giving it a good pull to my neck, which might be held up for too long in one single position the previous day. Now this next one focuses on the upper shoulder muscles. Start by interlocking your fingers and put them behind your neck, and arms folded. Just go in circular motions outwards, like so. Do it gently and repeat it in the opposite direction for about 3 to 5 times. As a thumb rule, use 3 to 5 breaths as an equivalent of 3 to 5 rotations. And if it is difficult to, you can bring your fingers down to your upper shoulder and do as shown in the video. Just keep yourself relaxed because it's all about reducing the stiffness in the neck. Now for the last one, it's very simple and very self-explanatory. So all I'm doing is I have my palms open in the air with my elbows folded, and I'm just giving it 5 to 6 rotations in the air while breathing at the same time. Relax yourself and all done.